Okujaguza ekiro kya Tarehe Sita ab'omwaka ogw'okuyanga lyonna n'okwija kukorerwa omu kyanga ekya Kigezi omu district ya Kabale. Arikugambira enkuyanja y'abantu abahikire aha kutongoza ekiro eki, Maama Mbabazi ashoboreire aha byabireho obu bateera engambi y'amahe ya Kabamba.
Tarehe Sita is not simply a date. It is a testament of resilience, a reminder of the young men and women who sacrificed everything so that Uganda could begin anew.
Mbabazi honagarukire yashobora habwenki okujaguza ekiro eki bakutiireho buri biro 6 okwezi kwa kabiri buri mwaka.
Was supposed to be on 5th of February, not 6th. So, on the night of the 4th of February, our leader, Yoweri Museveni, came to my house at 11 p.m. and told me about the change that had been necessitated by some reasons. The change of the date of the attack. So he tasked me, together with the late Sam Magara and the late Akanga, to go to Kabamba and inform our contacts within the barracks who were privy to this plan about the change.
Omukoro gw'okutongoza ekiro eki gwishyirirweho abantu bingi bakuru kandi minisita wa gavumenti orikujunaanizibwa aha nshonga z'abankazirwanaho Hudda Abason Oreru asiimira abo boona abayegesire ahari President Museveni okucungura ihanga eri.
Decisively marching towards economic transformation as per Vision 2040 as implemented in the 5 years the National Development Plan. Additionally, efforts crucial for the prosperity and the security of the people include the regional continental economic integration to ensure a larger and a viable African market.
Omukoro gwikirwaho n'omuhezi wa mukuru w'amahanga ga Uganda Lieutenant General Sam Okding nawe oshoboreire amakuru agari omu kujaguza ekiro kya Tarehe Sita.
Lead out those who have eyes but are blind, who have the ears but are deaf. So when someone says there are no gains to protect, it is therefore our role to preach the gospel.
Gashakwa Damba Tadeo.